Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. In this video, we will discuss the advantages as well as disadvantages of joining TCS. In this video, I will be telling you all those things which the company is offering you, as well as I will tell all those things which the TCS company is not offering you. So guys, make sure that you watch this video till the end so that all the doubts in your head can get cleared. And if you still have doubt, you can always comment down in the comment section. So guys, let's start the video. And before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it. And if you haven't joined my Telegram group till now, please join it. I post regular updates on TCS as well as on upcoming drives. I am posting regular updates on the TCS Explore program, which will be very beneficial for you if you have accepted the TCS offer letter. So make sure that you do not miss those updates and are up to date. So guys, please hit the like button before starting this video. So guys, now we will look at the advantages of joining TCS. So the first point on advantage is the job security. TCS provides a very high job security to the candidates as compared to different service-based companies. TCS only fires those candidates who have made a serious violation, like not following the terms and conditions mentioned in the offer letter, as well as like leaking the information to the other companies. So this is a very serious violation, and for this violation, TCS will surely fire you. Another thing is that there was minimal firing done in this pandemic time by TCS company, which is also a very good thing because rest of the companies were firing a lot of people. So guys, it's a very good thing to start with a company which provides you a good job security. So it's a very thumbs up point as well as a very important point in a candidate's perspective. So this was the point of job security. Now let's look at the another point. The second point is the work-life balance. Guys, we all need to do many things rather than just doing work. So we need a good work-life balance. So TCS again here proves to be a good company. TCS provides a very good work-life balance to the candidates. There is not too much work pressure in TCS. So you can always do the work in time. They will give you limited work and you can always do it in time so that you can get more free time. And again, if a candidate is willing to do higher studies and he need to prepare for the higher studies, he should join TCS because there is good work-life balance, and moreover he can get a very good time in preparing for future exams if he joins TCS. So again, it's a very good sign to get a work-life balance. So the next point in advantages is the free resources. TCS provides a very good online library which contains courses of different domain. This library will be provided to every candidate who joined TCS. TCS also provides lots of LinkedIn Premium courses. So all the courses which TCS is provided are free and you do not have to pay a single penny for these courses. One can do these courses anytime and can apply for change of domain. So guys, again, you can learn new technologies in this online library, and you can again, after learning those technologies, you can apply for change of domain. So like now you are working in machine learning but you want to work in IoT, so you can do a course and again give an interview regarding that course regarding that domain and can easily change that domain. So TCS is again good at this thing, that is providing free resources to its candidate so that they can grow. So the next advantage of TCS is that it provides a very high chance of candidate to go on site. So if you are willing to work in abroad, then TCS is a very best option for you because TCS sends candidate to on-site with just 2 or 4 years of experience. So you just have to work 2 to 4 years in India and you have to gain experience on projects, and then after working here, after you have gained the experience, then TCS will surely give a high priority to you for going on sites for different projects and for your growth. So next point is that health insurance. Guys, every service-based company provides you health insurance policy, but TCS provides the best health insurance policy in industry, and it becomes more beneficial if you take the health insurance in which your family is included as well. So there are two types of cover. One is basic cover, another one is higher hospitalization. So basic cover includes the expenses up to 6,000 per insured person per annum, and basic hospitalization expenses up to 2 lakh rupees per insured person per annum. But if you take, this was the basic cover, another was the higher hospitalization. So if you and your enrolled dependents will be entitled for 12 lakh as family floater coverage towards hospitalization expenses over and above the individual basic coverage. So you will get basic cover as well, and you can also get insurance up to 12 lakh for your family. So this is also a very plus point for TCS, that it provides a very good health insurance policy. The next point is that leaves. So as all of us want leaves. So TCS give approx 30 days leave except public and national holidays. So national holidays plus public holidays plus these 30 extra days of leaves you can take, and these are paid leaves. No salary will be deducted on these leaves. So again, this is also a very good point if you want to join TCS. The next point is transfer. So as many of you do not get joining location as per your preference, but if you work for 6 to 12 months, then it is very easy for you to change your location. So TCS has a large number of offices in India. There are many offices in south as well as there are many offices in north. So it is easier for one to change state. So again, there are large offices, it means there are large work. So you can again change the state as well as change the location easily in TCS as compared to different service based companies. Now the next point and the last point of the advantages of joining TCS is the brand value. We know that TCS has a very large brand value. It is India's biggest IT company. So working in TCS will always be beneficial for you as per the name is concerned. So guys, this was the advantages I have discussed for if you join TCS. Now we will discuss the disadvantages of joining TCS. So the first disadvantage of joining TCS is the project. As a fresher, you will be deployed in a support project. Very few people get deployment projects in the starting. So guys, as a fresher, if you are very lucky, then only you will get a deployment project in the starting of your career. But most of the people in TCS in starting get a support project. You will have to work at least 6 to 12 months in a support projects, and after that only you can get a development project. So guys, there is a very less learning in support project, so it can lead to wastage of your time. That is at least around one year of your life can get wasted if you are deployed in the support projects in the starting of your career. So the next disadvantage of TCS is that reapply. So if you resign TCS today, then you cannot join the TCS in future. That is, TCS is a one-time thing. That if you have worked in TCS, let's suppose 5 months or 5 years, and after that you resign, then you cannot come back to TCS for any other position. So it is only a one-time thing. So again, this is a slight disadvantage of this company. The next disadvantage is that the salary increment. Guys, in TCS, salary increments are slightly on the lower side. If the rest of the companies are giving, for example, the salary increment as 7 to 8% in a year, then TCS will give around 4 to 5% in a year. So this is again a disadvantage which you should consider before joining this company, that the salary increments are quite on the lower side. The last point of the disadvantage is that project of your choice. So what will happen, like in starting, it is very much common in TCS that in starting you are trained in some technology, but you are given the project of another technology. So for example, you have trained in Java for 4 months, but it is not necessary that you will get a project in Java only. You can get the project in Python only, and then again you have to go through the training process to learn Python. So this will be very time consuming, as well as your time will get wasted because you will not be able to upskill any particular technology. So guys, this was the entire video in which I have discussed the advantages as well as disadvantages of joining TCS. So I hope guys you have all your doubts clear. If you have more doubts, you can write in the comment section. I will try to clear them. I hope you like this video. Thank you.